Hello, my name is Erik, and welcome to Fine Mathematics Executive Functions Continued. Today we're continuing on with our environment section, and this will be part 4, which is really, first task is to clean. So what I recommend you to do is take everything out of the room, literally everything, furniture, desks, everything out, and maybe even the closet. Now, you know, this may not be optimal for everybody, but if I was doing this from scratch, I would recommend totally doing this, and I've done it with myself as well too. From there, make any repairs. You know, most rooms probably can use a fresh coat of paint, and for a reasonable sum of money, it's not that much to paint it. Same with if you have any carpets or floors, you may want to steam clean it or just take the time to really clean the room properly. It'll create a nice fresh space for you. And the nice thing about this is that when you start building from the bottom up, you'll feel it'll have a different feel to it. Now, the only thing that I really recommend, and I actually learned this from the days when I taught martial arts, whoever is the intent of using the room, the student or the person, whoever it might be, the only guidelines and semi-rule, if you will, they have to participate in this process. The process of cleaning, painting, building, putting it all back together, and also the fun stuff of making decisions of how to decorate it, the more they're committed and connected with this process, the more they're going to be connected to it, and the better the benefits are going to be when they end up utilizing it for not only for living in their own space and or getting work done. So just to reiterate one more time, the first task of this section is clean, and do a really good cleaning job. You know, so a cleaning job that when you put furniture back in, you won't be able to get to the same spots as easily in the future. And maybe you do those kind of spring cleanings once every 6 months or something of that nature, besides the routine cleanings you do probably, hopefully, weekly. So, once again, I recommend take everything out of the room, take this opportunity to paint, repair the walls, clean the floor, steam clean it, whatever you may do, and the participant who is the intent use of the room needs to be practicing in this process as well too. Thank you very much for watching Fine Mathematics again, and remember, enjoy the process.